So here's our meat for a meat stew. It's beef. Beef cut up for the stew. So we're gonna boil this one. Our beef is boiling. We're taking out and steaming it. Taking out this cooked blood. Got most of them. Simmer for more, like maybe 30 minutes or so. Cover. So I already simmered this one for less than an hour, and then we're gonna add seasoning. So I like using this one here to more than bouillon, better than bouillon rather. Roasted beef base, so it's reduced sodium. I got it from Costco. So let's add a tablespoon. Just mix it. You can add more if you like it like more beefy taste. I have a more beefy taste. I can smell it. It smells good. So after this one, you can add the vegetables. After I got the desired flavor or taste, I'm gonna add the vegetables now. So these are pre-cooked. I use frozen vegetables and you cook it as directed on the package. It's green peas, corn, green beans, and carrots. I use the canned potatoes, so I just slice. And cabbage for our greens. Just let it simmer. Just have to cover it and simmer it for